Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode here at GoRails. It's been a while since I've recorded a video, so I am beyond stoked to make one now and dive into scopes and active record with you. So, today we're going to be looking at perhaps some behavior that might surprise you when working with scopes. So, we'll find out more as we go into this video, but basically, just at a high level, is that when your scopes return nil, you will actually end up getting a response back differently from the query than nil. And we're going to look into the source code as to why that happens, so that in the future you can be aware of this and keep it in mind when writing your scopes. And if you really want to return nil from a scope, we'll look at a different way to how to do that to actually make that function how you would expect. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive in.